Here's how to get a buttload of work done. First, you need to understand that humans went from this to this very quickly, and this means that our brains are still living in the early human era. Your brain hasn't evolved for the modern world yet. That's why when a task feels bigger or unclear, your mind fears it as it wants to save energy. And here's how you fix it. Break the task down to the next smallest action. Do not tell yourself, I have to finish the whole assignment. Tell yourself, I will open the notebook, I will write the title. Small steps calm the fear system and let the thinking system take over. Once your brain sees the task as safe, it finally starts working. Second, understand the caveman threat-reward system. Early humans reacted very fast when something was urgent, like an animal running at them. They also reacted fast when something felt rewarding, like food or fire. These two triggers controlled all action, but modern work does not have either of these triggers. Writing an email or studying a chapter does not feel dangerous and it does not feel rewarding, so your brain ignores it. Because of this, you have to create your own trigger to get work done. Set a 10-minute timer to create urgency, or tell yourself that you get a treat or break after finishing one block of work. When you do this, you activate the same brain circuits that made early humans run, hunt, or take action. You are basically tricking your brain into moving. Third, never stretch the work. This is one of the biggest traps. When you think you have a lot of time, your brain relaxes, and slowly that 20-minute task becomes a whole day of avoidance, and the task stays in your head the entire time. So here's the rule. If you have the time, do the task right now. Don't say, oh, I'll do this a few hours later. I have the whole day. Your brain works best when the time feels short, not long. Bonus point. Humans evolved inside tribes back then. Your ancestors survived because they were a part of a group that protected each other and held each other accountable. If someone said they would gather wood or help with the hunt, they did it because the tribe depended on them. That old wiring still exists in your brain today. You perform better when the people around you expect something from you. So tell one person what you plan to finish today. Even better, surround yourself with people who want to grow the same way you do. I am working on building a community exactly for that. A place for people who want the right knowledge, the right habits, and the right support to hit their goals. When you are part of a tribe that moves forward, you naturally move forward with it. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. Fourth, move your body before you move into work. Early humans did not sit and plan everything. They moved first. Climbing, walking, running, and gathering all triggered the brain to become alert and focused, and we still work the same way. So before starting any task, elevate your heartbeat. You can run, jump, do push-ups, or anything like that. You will feel a sudden shift in clarity this way.